First thing that you need to do in order to install PicsiAI is to sign up on Discord. Go to discord.com and click this login button. Once you click the login button, you will see this page. Just click register and complete with your details. I already have an account, so I will log in and I will show you how the dashboard looks. This is how the dashboard looks once you sign up. You may not have this. This is Midjourney. I will show you in a future video how to install this. But for now, let's just create a server. Click add a server. Create my own for me and my friends. You can call it whatever name you would like. And congratulations, this is your new server. This is where we'll be adding PicsiAI. So what you need to do right now is go to the PicsiAI website and click more for free now. Once you click there, you will see step 3, invite the bot to your server. Click here to invite the bot. Wonderful. Now this page will open and there you need to select your server. We can already see our server is selected and we click continue. We accept that we give it the permissions and we click authorize. Now we can go and see that inside FaceSwap has just been added to the server. If we click on here, we can see that it is PicsiAI and this is our official invite. Now that we have PicsiAI added to our server, we can use their face swapping functionality. In the next video, I will create a portrait of an AI model. In the next video, I will create 3 images, one for the AI model's face and 2 for the scenes, and I will show you how to apply face swapping so that you can get 2 different photos of the same AI model.